Let's learn to play the game Circles and Stars, Splots and Dots, or Boxes and X's. This is a game to help you practice your multiplication facts. Let's go!
Happy Friday, everybody. Today, I'm going to work on a game that you can call many things, but the purpose of the game is to basically, again, think about arrays or think about what multiplication actually means. The game can be called Circles and Stars, it can be called Splots and Dots, it can be called Boxes and X's, whatever you choose. You can use dice, 1 through 6. If you have a 10-sided dice, you can use that. You can use a deck of cards that you keep the 10s in, but take out the jacks, queens, and kings, or if you have an everyday math deck, anything higher than 10, and get rid of the zeros. In order to play the game, you have to first of all decide what object you're going to use to create your equations and your visual representations of what it is that you're rolling or flipping for cards. Here's how this is going to work. You could take paper, you could set up several of these. This would be for circles and stars, you could do splots and dots, you can do boxes and X's. But the purpose of the game is to first of all roll or flip a card or roll a dice and write down the number of groups. So first of all, if I rolled a 7, I would draw 7 circles or 7 splots or 7 boxes. That 7 would go here. Let me write that down for you. Then I'd roll or flip again. This time I got a 4. So what you would do then is in the 7 circles or splotches or boxes that you drew, you would draw 4 stars or 4 dots or 4 X's. So, for example, I'm just going to quickly draw 7 circles because that is quick. I'm going to put 4 stars in each one. You get the gist. You'd fill them up with 7 circles, 4 stars in each. Then you would write down what that would be in words. It would be 7 groups of 4. Whoops, dropped my marker. Which would then turn into your equation that would match your picture drawing. 7 times 4, which means 7 groups of 4. And then if you counted them all up, or you skip counting by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, you would find out that that would be 7 times 4 is 28. You can also practice using the product of the multiplication equation to then help you with knowing the 2 division facts. So 7 times 4 could be 28. If you rolled a 4 and had to put 7 objects in each one, you would still get the result of 28 objects. But the division problems would be 28 divided by 4 would be 7, or 28 divided by 7 would be 4. So you can just roll this, practice making the picture representations, and writing out the number models for how that multiplication fact, which turns into division facts, could work. So again, circles and stars, splots and dots, boxes and X's, whatever you would like to do. But again, it's quick and easy, great way to practice making those comparisons of numbers. 7 groups of 4. That's 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 7 times. Again, I can add that in there too, just so that you can see that that is also what is happening when you did that picture. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 would also equal 28. So again, various things you can talk about. Repeated addition, groupings of equal quantities, the fact families, all of that helps. So again, I hope that gives you some other ideas of how you can practice your basic multiplication and division facts and work on those facts.
Here are some basic directions to the game. And here is a score sheet you might want to use. Have fun practicing your math facts.